We're at the BC Forestry Discovery Museum in Duncan BC, and this room has all their power saw equipment. So here's a whole bunch of chainsaws. There's a 1940 Timber Hog A. Look how long the blade is. It's about 5 feet long. There's more machines here. Titan Model 60 bike bucking saw. Titan ER. Then newer machines, steel. 1950s Turbomatic Model 227. There's a two-man machine there. There's hand saws on the building on the side here. McCulloch Super 44, 1958. It's a Pioneer. This one here is a Super Twin IEL, restored by Malaspina College. Here's a power drag saw, it's called. That's it.